Have a good day to all employer in Hong Kong. And by the way, I'm Marites Villanueva, 41 years old from Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. And I'm single mother of one son. The age of my son is 21 years old and I'm a high school graduate. Regarding to my experience as domestic helper in United Arab Emirates, my first employer is couple. They have 4 kids. The ages of the kids when I start there is 2, 4, 6, and 8 years old. And my main duty every day, I do the all household work like cleaning the house, cooking, marketing, washing clothes, ironing, gardening, and car washing. And I finished my contract there in 4 years. Madam and Sir, if please hire me as your helper, promise I will do my best as your helper and I follow your rules and I will take care of your family, especially to your kids. If you have kids, I will take care of them and I will treat them as my own kids. And I'm an honest person. I'm trustworthy. I'm be kind also. I'm a hardworking also. Mm, Thank you to your time, Madam Sir. That's it for now. Bye.